Ew, that's disgusting. Look, that's his poop.
Yeah.
So long, isn't it? That's my cousin Patrick's fish. Well, I call him Mo. Ew, look at that. That's so disgusting. So disgusting as someone's face. Oh, see, I think he's swimming to try to get it off. That's disgusting, man. Ew. So local. Oh, he's afraid of the camera. Yeah, grab it. That's nasty. And that's the other fish. Campbell chicken noodle possibility. Yuck.